उसमें ना R लिखा होता है.
Yeah, if we had a bell.
Hey, Akash.
Yeah. Collaborative. Welcome to the Midnight Hackathon interview with Parth. I'm going to ask you a few questions. You can answer them as much as you'd like. So, how's your project been? How's your day been so far?
I have teamed up with Akash and we're working on the redesign of our product. We are trying to do a reskin. It's been great. We started early.
Our project is a little bit just between the two of us in shambles right now. But hey, we still have a day left.
What I'm working on is an AI review system on Clueso.
It's been great so far. It's about adding the ability for somebody to add review comments on existing video project.
Day one's just been a
working on like multiple projects.
So my project is figuring out internal GPU hosting, see if we can host the GPUs ourselves, run AI models on that ourselves.
Yeah, it's been a long day. I'm tired now, but the energy is so infectious even right now that I don't want to sleep and I just want to work on my project.
I've been working on this solo plant that we want to create in Clueso.
The most f***ed up part about that is every time I have to run a Docker file which takes like 1 minute, and after 1 minute you find out there's some error, you fix that, run it for 1 minute again.
I just want to set the record straight. So Ishar and I were going to build, Ajinkya was going to design. Ishar comes to me and he's like... And in that meeting, he shows up and he's like, guys, actually I'm working on another project with Sadik. And then Ishar just abandons me like a day before the hackathon, and now I can't change my project. So literally, I'm building the entire thing on my own over here, busting my butt. And let me tell you one thing, Ishar's project is going really well.
Who do you think is a little overconfident with their project?
Oh, Akash, for sure. Bro, no way he's going to get 6 or 2 days, bro. Come on. I would say me and Sadiq, we both are making the video editing experience faster.
The next day.
Welcome back to the midnight interviews with Parth, but it's no more midnight, it's actually noon now. What happened last night?
I have a bit of congestion and my head is aching, so I thought it's better to sleep.
I was just tired. I just wanted to nap.
And that just takes too much time, it's too much time, and then after a while you realize.
I'll record you, you record me.
Hello. We can see how excited they are all, after seeing us. So, let's see. What are you cooking today, Sadiq?
I'm just continuing on my work from yesterday. I mean, I made good progress yesterday itself, so...
And how do you like your team member?
Team member is fine, decent.
Fine? Decent? Hello. How are you?
Hi. Hello, camera. I'm good, a little bit exhausted, but yeah.
Exhausted? Did you sleep last night?
Yeah, I did sleep for like good 6-7 hours.
Then why are you exhausted?
Because this cursor is kind of gaslighting me into believing that something is working when something is not, so I just have to...
There's no one here. Anurag, what's up? You seem to be like most zoned in out of everyone so far. So how's it going?
Progress is not that fast, but it is working.
Okay, so here comes our best friend. He's sitting with his his toys. So Ishar, how's it going?
Nice, bro, nice.
How is it going? I need 2-line answer.
Going, full stop, good.
Okay, and I see that you have something very complex on your screen.
It's not complex. You built it, so.
Yes,
Do you like your team member? Your team, Sadiq said that not really enjoying working with you.
Team member is fine, decent.
It's there, bro. You did not say it. You gaslighter.
Okay, let's move on to Mr. Ajinkya, the designer.
Badhiya, what's your question?
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm hungry actually. The sandwiches were not enough.
Feedback noted.
We can get those for you because we need some snacks as well, and we've been working really hard. We put on this GoPro, we put on these blazers, so it's been really a lot of hard work in the last couple of hours. So yeah, we need some snacks as well. But tell us a bit about how is it going?
Yeah, it's going great. I can show you a little bit.
So are you telling us that we're gonna have light mode and dark mode on the product?
Yes. Different people have different preferences and we want to cater to their preferences.
Wow. Okay, Prajwal. How is it going? Are you liking working with your new team member?
Yeah, working with my team member has been pretty awesome. He just sits in a corner, gets things done, doesn't bother me, unlike the other engineers.
Okay, Akash. So yesterday your reaction to our interview wasn't great. So tell us how it's going.
Why don't you tell me how it's going?
Really good. As you can see, I'm enjoying this.
And what do you have to say about your teammate?
I love my teammate. We have been having a lot of fun. We've been recording each other with GoPros and Parth is great to work with. Very creative. Going to be great.
Wait. Parth, what do you have to say about your teammate?
I'm enjoying working with my teammate actually. Okay, tell us a bit about your project.
It's starting to get amazing right now. I think we're easily going to win. There's no doubt about it.
When I asked a lot of the people whom they think is the most overconfident, they only took your name. All of them, 100% of them. They didn't even say Ajinkya, they just said Akash. Who do you think is a little overconfident with their project?
And Akash.
Oh, Akash, for sure.
Akash. Say Akash only.
Akash.
It's definitely the Mr. CEO.
I'm overconfident because Ajinkya is on my team. That's why I have that. I can be confident. There's no question about the capabilities and the prowess of this unit.
Hello. So looks like you're watching YouTube tutorials, is that right?
Yeah. I actually want to create animations, so I'm kind of ideating on what our goals should be at the end.
Everyone's sitting upstairs. Why are you here?
I was very sleepy, so I came down to find coffee and I couldn't, and then I just started sitting here and working here.
Okay, Pranami. So, what are you working on today? We need more lighting. Oh, Pranamya, what are you working on today?
I'm trying to set up some policies, leave policy, code of conduct.
What is your role again at Clueso?
I'm an HR.
HR. Gotta be careful here. This is apparently for the both of us.
I didn't even bat for one ball,
Mixed chutney. Good wine.
Easy, bro.
All right. So, welcome to Midnight Hackathon interviews with Parth. It is, I think, 2 a.m. So we're running right on schedule with the midnight title. When do you think you'll start to get the demos out for your features?
6:30 a.m.
I think I'm gonna sleep and wake up at 9.
So I'm working on doing automated reviews of a video based on customizable guidelines.
And Lasya, how does it feel to be working alone? Do you now regret not having a teammate?
Not particularly. I mean, if I have like any questions, I keep bothering people and all. So it was not like completely alone.
It's already midnight.
Yep.
Oh shit, we have to. Let's make this quick, please.
Yeah. Bro, you have to code so much, yeah? You have to code the transcript panel.
But we're doing good. We're doing pretty good. Pretty good. We are way ahead now of the pack, so I'm very confident.
So we are making this video editor. I've been a video editor before, so automatically it is interesting to me. It is one of my hobbies. So building a software that to a video editor. So like two hobbies together.
Pranamya, how's the cricket been? Tell us about that. I got that on camera.
HR. Gotta be careful here.
Best part is just before hitting, Neil is like, I'm not going to injure anybody, and then straight the ball hits my shin.
No, you'll have to use the mic.
I don't think I regret not having. I don't think I regret anything right now. No regrets in regards to like having a teammate.
So you're saying Ishar wasn't helpful, but his teammate Sadik was.
No, Ishar was anti-helpful. Whatever work Ishar left, we had to pick up and do ourselves.
At the end of the demo, we'll see.
I am sleeping.
You need your
Yeah, I am almost like I can crash any moment.
So tell us about the sabotage plan that you had, Akash.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't think he can hear this.
He's right there. Screw you, bro. Go to sleep. Tonight, what we're going to do is, he sleeps with his laptop, so we'll have to sneak up on his bed, open his laptop and delete his repo, so that his demo goes for a...
Shashwat, tell us a little about the cricket that is being played constantly.
The best part of the hackathon, because fuck all rules, bro. It's like what, 4x4 pit, and there are 5 fielders and 1 batsman, and he has to just somehow survive. Shravan just keeps on shouting whenever something happens. Hey, out, bro, macha.
The main concern of mine is that the first project I did, there is nothing to demo as such except for one line that I can say.
Bro, dress up like Steve Jobs and add a quote. I saved 3K per.
And yeah, obviously the food also here is like much better than whatever we are getting in our college.
You can say you're getting old.
Yeah, like I'm catching up with Pajanya.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Walked into that one.
Sabji kya hai
Actually,
aapka?
yeah, I mean, yeah.
Graduation.
Is this recorded? Yeah. Navid, you were in the middle of a game, and the game is still going on. I want to show. The game is still going on. The hackathon is not for coding anymore. It is for watching the match.
Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with the output actually.
Like it's kind of completed, so I'm ready with the demo. But yeah, I'll have to just flesh out some details to make it into like a demoable thing.
Why am I doing this interview with him?
You're doing this with him because Shravan really wanted to do it with you.
No, please don't. Bro, he's probably the last person who I'd want to do it with. Second last. You know it. Everybody knows it. If time allows, I can also do a very quick presentation on how this might affect us in the future.
There was a lot of time. You've been playing badminton for the last 2 hours. If we see a bat and a ball, we can turn anything into a cricket pitch. He's been doing everything except for work.
What is the time? 5:30 a.m. So there was this crazy coincidence where at 3:30 a.m. everybody pushed their final git commit at exactly the same time. So we were like, shit man, like this kind of coincidence doesn't just happen. We have to take full advantage. Since everybody pushed at the same time, we are here. Clueso 24.
करवाता हूँ चक इधर आओ ना मटके का पानी पिलाता हूँ
बचा